In this video, we learn how to solve equations with variables on both the sides. So let us see the first question of the exercise. We have 3x equal 2x plus 18. In the left hand side we have 3x and in the right hand side we have 2x. So transposing 2x to the left hand side, we get 3x minus 2x equal 18. Now subtracting 2x from 3x, we get x equal 18. So this is the solution for the equation x is 18. Now question 2. 5t minus 3 equal 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. Here we have 5t in the left hand side and 3t in the right hand side. So first of all, we have to transpose 3t to the left hand side. We get 5t minus 3t. Similarly, we can transpose minus 3 to the right hand side. So we can write minus 5 plus 3. Here in the left hand side we have minus 3. So it will be plus 3 in the right hand side. Here we have 3t. So it will be minus 3t in the left hand side. On subtracting 3t from 5t, we get 2t equal. Here the numbers are with opposite sign. So 5 is subtracted from 3. When 5 is subtracted from 3, we get minus 2. On dividing both the sides with 2, we get minus 2 upon 2, which gives you t equal minus 1. Now see the question 3. Five x plus 9 equal 5 plus 3x. We have 5x in the left hand side and 3x in the right hand side. So we have to transpose 3x to the left hand side, while we have to transpose this plus 9 to the right hand side of the equation. So here we write 5x minus 3x equal 5 and transpose plus 9 to the right hand side, we get it will be minus 9. On subtracting 3x from 5x, we get 2x. On subtracting 9 from 5, we have to subtract 9 from 5. So 9 is a bigger number, so the sign of the value will be minus and you get here minus 4. 9 is subtracted from 5. The bigger number is big, minus sign. So your answer will be in minus. Now dividing both the sides of equation with 2, we get x equal minus 4 divided by 2. and x equal 2 2 ja 4. So your final answer is x equal -2. Now come to question 4. 4z plus 3 equal 6 plus 2z. Expression in the left hand side has two terms 4z and plus 3, while the expression in the right hand side also have two terms 6 and 2z. You have to transfer 2z to the left hand side and plus 3 to the right hand side. So you get in the next step 4z minus 2z. First of all, we transpose to z to the left hand side and then we transpose plus 3 to the right hand side and we get 6 minus 3. Now it is very easy to solve 4z minus 2z. It says you have to subtract 2z from 4z, so we get 2z in the right hand side, in the left hand side, and in the right hand side you have to subtract 3 from 6, so we get only 3. Now dividing both the sides with 2, we get z equal 3/2. Now come to the question 5. x minus 1, 14 minus x. Here we have 2x in the left hand side and minus x in the right hand side. So first of all you have to transpose minus x to the left hand side and you can write here 2x plus x equal 14, same to same, and minus 1 is transposed to the right hand side, so its sign will be changed and minus 1 changes into plus 1. Similarly, minus x changes into plus x. Both these terms transport to the other side. 2x is added with x. 2x is added with x. So we get 3x equal 15. And on dividing both the side with 3, we get x equal 15/3. Your final answer will be 3 5 15, so x equal 5. Now question 6. a bracket in the right hand side. There is a bracket in the right hand side. So first of all we have to solve the bracket. Till then other terms are written same to same. So here we write 8x plus 4. How to solve this bracket? Let's see. 3 is multiplied with x. So 3 is multiplied with x. We have to write 3 into x. And then minus from where it is between x and 1. So we take here minus. 3 is also multiplied with 1. So 3 multiplied with 1 and plus 7, same to same. Now it will be written as 3x minus 3 and plus 7. In the next step, we transpose 3x to the left hand side and plus 4 to the right hand side. So we can write 8x minus 3x equal minus 3 plus 7 and plus 4 goes to the right hand side and it becomes minus 4. 3x is subtracted from 8x, so you get 5x equal plus number, on taking plus number we can write plus 7 and the numbers with same sign are added. So 4 and 3 are added and written with negative sign. 4 and 3 on adding we get 7, 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7. It will be 0. 5x equal 0. On dividing both the sides with 5 we get x equal 0 upon 5 and finally you get x equal 0. So this is the answer. Now come to question 7. X equal 4 upon 5 and x plus 10. Here we have in the denominator 5, so you have to multiply the whole equation with 5. We get 5x equal 4 and x plus 10. This 5 goes with x and with multiply sign. So 5 into x will be 5x. And then 4 is multiplied to x. 4 is multiplied with 10. You get here 4 into x and 4 into 10. Now 5x equal 4x and plus 4 10 is 40. Now transposing 4x to the left hand side, we get 5x minus 4x equal 40. On subtracting 4x from 5x, we get here x equal 40. Two x upon 3 plus 1, 7x upon 15 plus 3. In the left hand side we have 2x upon 3 and in the right hand side we have 7x upon 15. So transposing 7x upon 15 to the left hand side, we get 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal 3, and plus 1 transpose to the right hand side, it will be minus 1. On taking LCM of 3 and 15, you know the LCM of 3 and 15 will be 15. So it will be 15, LCM is 15, 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15. First of all we divide 15 with 3 and the quotient is 5. Quotient is 5, so 5 is multiplied with 2, 5 2 are 10. Let's see again, 3 5 are 15, 15 is divided with 3. 3 5 are 15, the quotient is 5. So 5 is multiplied with 2, 5 2 are 10x minus 15. It is equal to the LCM of our both the denominators. So there is no change in 7x equal. On subtracting 1 from 3, we get 2. 7x is subtracted from 10x, we get 3x upon 15 equal to. On multiplying the equation with 15, we get 3x equal 2 into 15. On dividing equation by 3, we get 2 into 15 and divided by 3. 3 5 are 15. So 2 into 5 and x equal 10. Now come to the question number 9. Two by plus 5 upon 3, 2 by plus 5 upon 3 equal 26 upon 3 minus by. So you have to transpose this minus by from right hand side to the left hand side, and plus 5 upon 3 transpose to the right hand side. So you can write here 2 by and plus by equal 26 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 3. On adding 2y and y, we get 3y. Here the LCM is 3. So it can be written as 26 minus 5. 3y equal 21 upon 3 3 7 are 21, 3 by equals 7, so by equals 7 upon 3. Now the last question of the exercise, question 10. (3m) equal 5m and minus 8 upon 5. We have to transpose 5m to the left hand side. We get 3m minus 5m equal minus 8 upon 5. On subtracting 5m from 3m, we get minus 2m because the bigger number is with negative sign. The bigger number is with negative sign. So on subtracting 5 from 3, we get minus 2m equal minus 8 upon 5. Whenever you see minus in the left hand side and minus in the right hand side, you can cancel it. So in the next step, we can write 2m equal 8 upon 5. Now dividing both the sides with 2, we get 8 upon 5 into 2. 8 is divisible with 2 and we get here 4. 2 4 is 8. So your final answer will be 4.5. मैं समझता हूं कि आप इसको समझ लिए हैं। अच्छी तरह से रिवाइज करें और हम लोग अगली एक्सरसाइज पे चलेंगे। अगले वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज 2.4 पर जाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।